Dispatch received.
What's going on, bud? You got your license, registration, proof of insurance? Why'd you take so long to pull over? You're slow rolling.
Because I was like, what the hell? Nissan's pulling me over, and then I just was trying to find like the best area to pull over.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What happened to your ID?
It's broken because I had to get my front door.
You had to get what?
I had to get my front door. My insurance is on my phone.
Okay. What is that other ID right there between your feet? Is it yours? You just dropped it or what?
It's my credit card.
Okay. I mean, not normally on the floor, that's what I was asking.
I don't know where the hell it was, it just shifted.
Yeah.
What? I'm saying, what did I get pulled over?
Speed limit's 40 back there. Alright. Your window tint looks illegal. Alright, and you don't have any working tag lights on the back of the vehicle.
I don't have working tag lights?
Correct. It took a long time to pull over, you're slow rolling. Pop them out. How about here?
I'm not gonna hop out.
Okay. I'm telling you to hop out.
I'm not gonna hop out.
I'm telling you, you need to hop out of the car. Get out of the car.
I have no reason to hop out.
Get out of the car.
I have no reason.
If I tell you to get out of the car, you get out of the car.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. You are resisting.
You are. We're telling you to get out of the car.
Resisting.
If we say get out of the car, that means get out of the car. We can order anyone out of the car at any time.
What's the reason?
I don't have to have a reason. I told you, I tried lighting you up all the way back there. You slow rolled through the parking lot. A lot of times when people do that, they're hiding guns or drugs, okay?
It is crazy.
I can order anyone out of the vehicle for any reason. I don't have to have a reason.
I got my fishing poles in the car.
Well, it's for my safety. Can you guys just sweep that driver area for me? He wouldn't. He was refusing to get out, so he got taken out. Yep. If we give you a lawful order, all right.
Why do we have to come to this, dude? All you do is step out of the car. I'm sorry. I thought I knew my rights, but I don't.
No.
You don't, man.
I didn't double lock, just so you know. Do you want to check his,
Yeah.
You got anything in your crotch?
No.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, I mean, he refused to get out. He can go to jail.
Yep.
You're under arrest. All right.
I'm gonna beat.
If we gotta
I'm
pull
gonna
you.
beat this, but
Okay.
that's whatever.
Okay.
That's cool. You're gonna beat what?
Your charge is resisting without violence. It's basically obstructing our investigation.
We told you 3 times to
get out of the car, you're refusing, so.
Then we tried to help you out of the car with your arm.
And you pulled away.
I did not. I put my arms in the air and said I'm not resisting.
Okay.
It's all on camera. I'm not.
You're right. It is on camera.
It's all on our cameras too.
I'm not worried.
No, just unlock it. We can order anyone out of the car at any time. For any reason. I would check his socks and stuff too.
I don't got nothing on me.
Okay.
I'll talk with my lawyers now. I'm not talking no more.
Okay.
Y'all, that's disrespectful. Y'all are out of pocket. That's crazy.
We're out of pocket?
Y'all are gonna have a case for nothing.
Okay.
I resisted not one time, but it's
Okay.
fine.
Okay, but we order people out of the car for our safety.
Y'all,
for our
this
safety.
is the cops that run the city. I see what
Okay.
I see what it is.
It's for our safety, right?
I see.
So.
It's fine. I'll be in court.
It's fine.
I'll be in jail because
Okay.
I'm on probation, and I'll be in court. It's fine.
What are you on probation for?
Have a good lawyer. You guys know.
I don't know. How do I know you're on
You obviously
probation?
have a problem with me. You
I don't.
obviously know me. You obviously have a
How
problem.
do I know
Because I
you?
was not even resisting. You guys are doing this to me.
Okay.
It's wild.
Okay. How do I know you? I don't know you. Do you have a 10 meter or no? You just want to grab that? All the windows look super dark, so.
They're 15 and nothing's
15 is
under-
illegal.
It's
15
illegal
on the
now.
front is illegal. Yes.
Or
Front
no,
has to be
20's in the front, 50's in the
28,
back.
28 or higher for the front. 20 in the front's illegal as well. So just where we're coming from, I'm not gonna ask you to say nothing. All right. You took a long time to pull over from a cop car. Okay. I had to start hitting my siren at you. You slow rolled all the way from the pump over there, all the way to the corner. In my experience, I've been doing this 16 years now. All right. That's common with people hiding drugs and guns. okay, within a vehicle when they slow roll like that. That's my experience, okay? I can order anyone out of the vehicle for my safety because I don't know if you're trying to arm yourself or whatever, okay? So me pulling you out of the vehicle is for my safety, which I'm allowed to do at any time. I don't have to have a reason to ask anyone to exit the vehicle. I'm not asking to search your vehicle, but I can get you out of that vehicle and away from any potential hazards to me, which are guns, weapons, knives, whatever, okay? So that's why I was asking you to exit. You were exhibiting lots of behavior, which is common with nervousness. All right.
A lot of people doing a pulled over, sir.
Okay, which yes, I agree. Some people do, but when you factor in everything together, that's for my safety. Okay.
Can I talk to you for just a second?
Just give me a minute. Okay. Yep. All right. I know that you said that you wanted to talk to me. All right. But previously you did say that you wanted a lawyer also.
That's all right? What I'm trying to talk about. I need to...
Alright, so hang on. Let me read this, and then if you want to talk or if you want to ask me any questions, you can. But since technically you're in the back of the car and you're under arrest, alright, I have to read you this. Because you did request a lawyer. Okay? You can always request it again or just stop talking completely. Alright? You understand that?
Can I get a phone to call my lawyer, please?
Okay. Yes, I'll get you a phone, okay? Once we get down there. You have your phone, right? Your phone's with your property. You got the number in there? Yeah. They'll let you pull numbers out of there.
I'm gonna beat this. Why do you want to continue this?
Beat what? When we have to
this.
take you to the ground because you're physically resisting, then it's out of our hands at that point.
I got out of the car.
No, you didn't.
You didn't rip me. I'm seen stepping out of the car, sir.
Okay.
Why do you want to continue this?
I had one arm. Corporal West had your other arm, and you were pulling back into the car when we were trying to pull you out of the car. Okay? When it gets to that point, there's no brakes. I'm sorry.
Sir, I threw myself for you into the dirt. You guys did not man me into that dirt.
Okay. I know we didn't slam you in the dirt, but we had to physically pull you out of the vehicle.
You just said it right there. Is your camera on? You just
yes,
said
you see it blinking red?
We didn't slam you in the dirt. Why are you carrying this on, sir?
We had to pull you out of the car, and you were pulling back into the car. We had to pull you physically out of the car.
Oh, sir.
All right, you requested a lawyer, okay? So I can't ask you anything else. He took a very, very long time to pull over. Very, very long time. Like he's, huh?
Where'd you let him up?
I lit him up behind where your car is.
Yeah.
And he slow rolled from. He almost came to a stop right at the pump where your car is.
Yeah.
And then he slow rolled like 1 or 2 miles an hour around the corner. I started hitting my siren. And then he kept slow rolling all the way to here, like 1 or 2 miles an hour to here, and then stopped. I'm gonna put your shoes right here by your feet.
Move y'all's cars, look everywhere y'all want. I don't have nothing. I want a question though, like, why pick on a per se guy like me, whatever y'all want to portray me, like, why don't y'all put up like pedo stings? Like, why don't y'all like...
Put a what?
Pedo, like, stings.
We did that too.
I don't ever see them. Where do I ever see? I see cyber, when people get busted for cyber porn or some like dumb bullshit like that, but like real that are trying to meet with underage kids, I don't ever see stings like that or like nothing go on like that. Nothing like y'all even try to do that.
Okay, I mean that's probably like
it's not your, it's
like
not
a detective's
it's
job
probably
description.
Not yours, but I just don't get it. The world's crazy.
I understand.
The world's
wild. I agree. Definitely is.
He was ultimately charged with resisting an officer without violence. Do you think this arrest could have been avoided if the driver had simply complied with the officer's instructions? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.